Facebook is one of the biggest video sites in the world. Unlike YouTube, it doesn't have an offline view feature or there is no download button. But if you want to download a video from Facebook, watch this video till end. Before going to video, click on subscribe and enable the bell icon to get notifications. Let's get started. Go to Facebook and find the video you want to download. Click on these three dots and copy the link. Go to Google Chrome. First log into Facebook in the browser if you are not. Then do this. Paste the link in the address bar and go. Now click on the address bar and add basic after the letter M. Now play the video. Click on these three dots. Now you have a download option. And there you go. That's it guys. Please like the video and share to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and check out my other videos. Thanks for watching.